Hello everyone, today we are going to walk you through a quick and easy process on how to change your username on Character AI. Whether you have had a change of heart or just want to freshen the things up, this tutorial got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, let's go to Character AI app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in top right corner. That will open your profile. And on the profile section, you can see a setting icon or gear icon in top right corner. Tap on it, that will take you to the setting. Now, just below your profile picture, you can see the username. To edit it, simply tap on it, remove the previous username. Now type in your new username. Let's keep it Popoyo for now. Always remember to make your username a unique and follow Character AI community guideline. When you are happy with your new name, simply tap on the screen, then tap on Save Changes. And that's it, you have successfully changed your username in Character AI. Easy, right? If you have any question or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.